Hey, what's up? This is Jake Martin with Landis and Associates, bringing you a cool feature update on QuickBooks Online. They rolled this out, I believe, a month or so ago. It's online bill pay. So I'm going to walk you through it in QuickBooks and show you how it works. Right now, we're at the dashboard. You should see here we have a test company set up, so there's no confidential information here. If you want to use the online bill pay feature, you're going to navigate to your vendor. So we have one vendor here, somebody who wants your money. You can click on them. And I've already created a bill right here to somebody who wants your money for legal and professional fees of $1,000. So normally if you'd want to pay this, you'd have to create a check transaction and physically write a check and mail it to them, or you'd have to log on to the vendors. Maybe they have an online portal where you can pay by credit card, and then you'd have to come back and enter the transaction. So online bill pay allows you to do the entire transaction from QuickBooks. So we're going to open the bill, and you'll see on the top right they have this schedule online payment feature. So you can select that, and it will take you into the bill pay portal. Now here we have three options. This is where you decide how you want to fund the transaction. So you can pay it via debit card, credit card, or you can have a direct connection with your checking account. I've set up a test checking account just to show you what it looks like. If you wanted to add an account, there are two options to add an account. You can do connect instantly, which is you'll have to have your online banking information to log in, or you can verify with trial deposits. So QuickBooks will send you two small deposits, and then you'll have to log back in once you receive those and confirm the amounts. Okay, so but we already have an account connected. So this is the account that the money is going to come from. So we click on that. Okay, there are two ways to send the vendor your payment. Okay, there's a bank transfer, ACH, which is directly to their bank account, or there's a paper check option. Both of these are free, and both of these happen completely through QuickBooks. Okay, so for the ACH, it's free. It's 1 to 4 business days. You would click on that, and you would have to have an agreement with the vendor. You would have to have their bank information to enter here, the routing number and the account number. And once you had that, you could click past this screen, and there'll be a few more screens to approve and verify amounts and who you're sending it to. Once you hit approve, again, the transaction all happens via QuickBooks. You won't have to do anything else. So if you have a vendor that you frequently are paying, reoccurring, there's regular services that they provide you, and you want to just make the whole process easier, this would be a very smooth way to do it. The paper check option is also very neat. It's free. It takes a little bit longer. It's 5 to 7 business days. But if you click that, again, this is all through QuickBooks. So you don't have to actually cut a check. This is QuickBooks cutting the check, mailing it to the vendor. So QuickBooks will take the money out of your account to make sure that it's there. Then they'll create the check and they'll mail it to the vendor. So again, there's a couple screens here where you have to click through to approve and verify that the vendor's name, address, and the amount. But once that's done, it's very simple. Okay, so we're going to back out of here. Again, great new feature. We've used it numerous times over here at Landis. Really like the way it works. There are a couple things to be aware of. The biggest issue we've noticed so far is that you can't use it to pay owners of the company. Okay, it's not per their user agreement. You can't use it for owner distributions or payments to the owner. I'm not entirely sure why, but they don't allow that. So any time you use online bill pay, it has to be a payment to a vendor, an outside vendor. Yeah, so that's online bill pay in a nutshell. Check it out, give it a shot, and see if it fits in with your accounting workflow. I hope that was useful to you. Take care.